Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about something that comes up a lot with Etsy advice. And I don't know how this would work if you have a lot of things that are the same, but there are people who say you should not use the same keywords in more than one listing because it will be competing against yourself. Now, competing against yourself isn't really a thing on Etsy anymore. About 6 or 7 years ago, I don't even remember how long ago it was, Etsy had a thing that you could only be on one page of search results up for the first 5 pages. So if you had listings that were kind of similar, they would be competing against themselves to get placement on those pages. That doesn't apply anymore. You can be on the first page of search as many times as Etsy sees fit. So don't worry about competing against yourself and worry about whether you're describing your listings accurately in the title, tags, and description, because that's really what you want to do. If you have a listing, I sell silicone molds, right? I'm not going to not put silicone mold in more than one listing because that's what it is. It's a silicone mold, and then I'll use other terms like flower silicone mold, animal silicone mold, whatever it's for, but I'm not going to avoid using the term silicone mold in more than one listing if that fits the thing that it is. So if you have keywords that you know people search for, don't be afraid to use them in more than one listing. When I make new listings, I basically just go in and copy an old one and just change out the color or the specifics. And most of my listings have same or similar keywords in the titles and tags. That's fine. It's okay. You just want the keywords that you use on any individual listing to be correct and accurate for that listing. Don't worry about what you have on other listings. It doesn't matter. You just want each listing to be right. So leave me any questions, give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later.